be before. Last night I was cruising slowly with no headlights. I was gonna call you for the last time, then just drive away when I started talking to myself.
Darling Fumi Nation, how are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome, my darlings. You're so very welcome indeed. You're welcome to a platform full of positivity and fabulosity. Are we living and loving the pop of color? I bought this at Mango and I was so excited because I got the heel, the perfect heel for so many of my dresses, and I am sure that you will agree too. I live and I love. It is a clear heel, umbaya, and it just works when you really don't know or don't have that heel that will go with the dress. You just go with a nude. It's not even a nude, like a clear, you know, and they're so comfortable. And what I like about this heel is that I think this is a 2-inch, which works for me. They're from Mango, and the dress, my darlings, is also from what? From Mango. So here I am doing my thing. So darlings, we're having a meet and greet in New York. I have to say it for every episode because I have over 500 subscribers a day. So when they come in, I want them to know that we're going to have a meet and greet in New York City on the 4th of August, and I cannot wait to meet you guys. It's going to be fabulous. And we have what? Healthy Hair Studio coming out there with their products, with treats for you. You're going to live and love. We have JUVIAS Place, of whom I not only collaborated with once, but we collaborated twice. I love their makeup. I wear their makeup on a daily basis. As a matter of fact, I was wearing the Wahala palette today, the Wahala 2, and what I did was that I put in some black shadow, and then I went in with this blue, and this blue is called Dream. And when I tell you, the eyes are popping. Live for JUVIAS Place. My discount code is what? Fumi. We also have Colored Rain. Colored Rain, thank you for all of the love, for all of the support. When I tell you, they are fabulous. You're going to enjoy. We also have Sane, the most beautiful wrapping paper ever. Most beautiful wrapping paper ever. We've got general tickets. We've got VIP tickets. We've got the golden ticket where we have breakfast with Fumi. We have diamond ticket where we have lunch with Fumi, and we have the platinum ticket, of which we have dinner with Fumi the Friday before the Sunday. When I tell you, it's going to rock and roll. We're going to live, darling, and love. Don't forget to book your consultation one-on-one sessions with me. You want to send me anything in relation to your businesses, then we have the American address, and then we have the UK address. So wherever you guys are, you can choose one, and the UK one, I go there on a weekly basis, and I have everything, of which I'm going to start opening with episodes, or maybe do a live. We'll do an episode of a live, and then I will start to open packages after that. All right, my darlings, why are we here? We are here because of my beautiful Jennifer Lopez. You know, we have to agree that Jennifer Lopez is having a disastrous year. Oh, wow. It is quite intense. Now, we now have Sephora in London, of which I love, because my sister and my brother are out in America, and they used to send me all the things that we could not get here in London. So when Sephora now opened, I really was looking forward to JLo Beauty. Why? Because her one-hit single, her cleanser, is absolutely fantastic. To me, yes, it is absolutely fantastic. I have it right here, as a matter of fact. Sorry, not one hit single, that hit single. And it is the gel cream cleanser. How do I cleanse my face? I have all of these pads, and I just wash off the makeup, I put a little bit of oil and I break down the makeup and I begin to wipe off. I find doing it that way for me is much gentler on my skin, and the makeup comes off. I don't have to wash, so many times. Having said that, when I tell you that I live for this gel cleanser, because you can wash your face once and everything will come off. Fumi, what's all of this you're talking about? I'm getting there. So, my brother came to London, some of you will know.
I kind of like the hat though.
Yeah, I kind of like the hat too.
Yeah,
yes. Yeah. What do you think? Are we ready?
I'm ready.
For showtime.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Don't ask me what I did last night.
You do your dirty job.
Yeah. That's right, Mandingo.
Please don't say this one.
I say this again. This is PG.
No.
Because
YouTube will cancel the video. I'm already sweating. No. Hold on. Let me explain to you.
Fumi's brother ruined your channel.
No, YouTube.
Oh my God.
YouTube regulations.
Yeah. He's so vulgar.
Very vulgar.
And tasteless.
I'm sweating. You have to behave yourself.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to start it and stop it.
According to Corinthians chapter 4.
And I told him to get me the J-Lo, that hit single. Only to find out that Sephora has discontinued the entire line. Last time I checked, Jennifer was even letting us know that they were coming out with color. She was going to come out with makeup as well. They did not even get there. And Sephora has dumped it, talking about very poor sales. I did not know about this. Did you guys? I did not know. Now, having said that, the line was expensive. I have her serum and I have her cream. The packaging is gorgeous. It's so glamorous. I live for it. I absolutely live for it. But if it's useless, then what's the point? And I am very disappointed because perhaps she didn't push it enough. I don't know. I really don't know. But I have to be honest, because I'll call it like it is. I really love some of her products, and that hit single is fabulous. I take it on the road with me. If I'm traveling, I will take this with me. If I don't have time, I will take this with me, and it works. But the price point was extremely expensive. Now, upon reflection, how terribly sad. So when my brother told me that, I said, you know what, let me come out here and see what this is all about. And yeah, it is right here. Jennifer Lopez slammed as inauthentic after her skincare line fails at Sephora. Everybody knows she's not using that. Ooh, because she did come out about the olive oil. Wasn't it the olive oil that she was talking about? I think she came out with that, and it just did not do well. It did not do well. So I said, okay, let me see. And she's got, all of the glow buster, because she's known for the glow, for the J-Lo glow, and they were expensive. As a matter of fact, when I look at the cleanser, the gel cleanser, it was retailing in the tune of $40. Yeah, so I can see how this kind of just did not work out. It says here, investment bank Pippa Jeffrey gave some insight into what the reason behind J-Lo Beauty leaving shelves may be. The evolving Sephora demographic leans towards younger consumers. Ouch! Who tend to be brand agnostic. Their buying behavior is driven more by a brand's virality on TikTok, efficiency, affordability, branding, and playful packaging, she says. J-Lo Beauty seems to be targeting a slightly older consumer with product strategy, branding, and messaging that feels outdated in today's landscape. if you look at other successful celebrity brands like Rode and Rare Beauty, they have tapped into the cultural zeitgeist in a way that J-Lo did not. Yes, in a way that J-Lo Beauty hasn't, with cult-worthy viral products that are safe, fun, and feed-worthy. In a nutshell. Another article here, fans slam J-Lo on social media for inauthentic skincare line. Sephora consumers have posted on Reddit to slam J-Lo for even launching a beauty and skincare line in the first place. J-Lo Beauty literally collecting dust, the original post says. Oh my God, the original poster wrote, LMAO, embarrassing, another user said. I don't trust J-Lo Beauty because I don't think she actually uses it. The reason we wear Fenty Beauty and Fenty Skin is because Rihanna actually uses it, and it's something that we can tell she's genuinely interested in. This is a cash grab to me. I don't blame celebrities for hustling, but the way J-Lo claims everything is olive oil and her dumb skincare line infuriates me so much, said another. As it should, said another person. Overpriced pieces of crap, to be honest. Inauthentic, a final person says. I wouldn't buy it. Jesus. My God. Jennifer, you know what? You're right. You had to cancel the tour. Just take a break from all of this and sit back and enjoy your life and regroup. Yes, a lot of you were telling me in the comments in another episode of which we were discussing Jennifer Lopez's cancelling of the tour, that perhaps she doesn't listen to her team. Well, Jennifer, you have to listen to your team because you are frying yourself left and right. You're not doing yourself any favors out here in the streets. You have to rebrand. You have to really listen to your fans. And your fans have changed from 20 years ago. It's just a fact. The young crew out here these days, they were barely out of their diapers 20 years ago. They don't know you 20 years ago. I remember you 20 years ago. And when I tell you Jennifer Lopez was fire, Jennifer Lopez was the best thing since pockets on jeans in 2004. Yes, she was. But it is extremely apparent that that is not the case now. That is not the case now. And Mama, you have to rebrand. If you don't rebrand and you don't regroup, everything is going to fall apart. Everything's going to fall apart because you cannot be feeling the way you are on everything at everything. That just doesn't make sense. It means that you still are of the belief that the fabulosity that you had then is what's making you coin now. That's not the case. I am so brokenhearted. Like I said, I will still buy that hit single because I really love it. The serum and the... oh my God. Do you know it dropped and it fell apart? Hold on, let me show you. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, yes it did. Look. Where did this... It fell out from here. It's giving cheap. And I really like the packaging, but it's not solid because I just dropped it over here and all of a sudden it's not giving any kind of life. That's a shame. That is what? Oh, and it fell out. No, you can't have that, Jennifer. You cannot have that. Either your team has to do something or you have to listen to your team. But I wanted to give you, I like to be honest. I really love that hit single, but it's giving cheap. Oh wow, it's not even. Oh wow, what a shame. So that is it, my darlings. Jennifer Lopez, J-Lo Beauty is no longer in Sephora because of poor sales. And yet I know influencers who have their brand out there in Sephora and they're doing well. Oh, wow. Get onto TikTok, mama. And they said about Rihanna, I give Rihanna her chops. I remember when Rihanna was pregnant, she still showed up to do all of her meet and greets, to do all of her launches. And yeah, her brand is fabulous. I love Fenty as well. You have to, you know, here's the thing. If you are going to push a product, believe in it. Really love it, really use it. It's like JUVIAS place. I wear that makeup every day. Colored Rain, oh my God, live for them. For their rebellious palette, I know the names by heart. For Healthy Hair Studio, you already know that I use the products every day. Every day. You have to really love the product. And then I believe that that is where the success will come. If you don't believe in it and it's on the shelf and you're not using it, how can the fans use it? How can they believe? And it has to be believable, I guess. It's so sad. It really is. Anyway, my darlings, do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, my darlings, and I'll see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love. Mwah. Oh, wow. It really did break. Da-da-da-da.